Hello everyone and welcome to the second session of this problem, Palindrome Linked List. So previously we have solved with the help of string. Now, now in this session we will be solving with the help of stack. So previously we have solved with the help of string. Now here we will be solving with the help of stack data structure. So what we will do here is we will iterate in the linked list node by node from the starting to the end, and we will put all the node values in a stack. Now what we will do again we'll iterate from the very first node and we'll pop out the very topmost element from the stack and we'll compare. If they are matching, then it is okay. Otherwise, it will simply return false. And we'll do till the last node. Like for example, suppose we are given a linked list having value 1, 2, 2, suppose 3, 2, 2, and 1. Suppose this is my linked list. What we will do here is we will go one by one from the node and put the values in the stack. First one is 1, 2, again 2, this one, then 3, again 2, again 2, and then 1. So we have already filled the values in the stack. Now what we will do, we will again move in the linked list from the starting node. We will again move from the starting node, and what we will do, we'll pop the very topmost element from the stack. Starting node value here, suppose this is my ptr. So ptr.val will compare with the stack topmost value, If they are equal, then it's okay. If it is not equal, then it will simply return false. And we will check each element one by one with the stack topmost element by popping the elements one by one. So this is the logic with the help of stack. So let me write the code. With the help of stack data structure. So what we will do here is we will take one stack data structure similar to list. Now what we will do, we'll iterate in the linked list with the help of ptr. And here what we have to do, we have to append the value. Here we have to append this value. Now what we have to do here is we have to append the ptr value in the stack. So stack.append ptr value, ptr.val, and ptr will move forward. Now ptr will move forward to the next node. So this operation will simply add the value in the stack. So first thing is done. Now what we will do, we will again assign ptr to head, ptr equal to head. Okay. Now here what we have to do here is we have to again iterate from the beginning of the linked list. So while ptr is not none, let us copy and paste the same line here. ptr is not none. While ptr is not none, now what we have to do here is we have to check ptr dot, we have to check if ptr dot val not equal to. Now here we have to check the stack topmost element, cause in the stack we have already filled the element. So when we pop the element from the stack, it will pop the element in the reverse order of the linked list. So here we are checking the stack topmost element. So stack dot pop. Now if it is not equal, then we have to simply return false. Okay, and it will move ptr, and here ptr will move to the next, ptr equal to ptr dot next. Okay, in this while loop we are simply checking node by node value with the stack topmost element by popping each, cause here very first node is equal to the stack topmost element which is holding the last value. If they are not equal, it will simply return false. It will check element by element by moving one node at a time. If it has not returned false, means all the elements are equal, so at the end we'll simply return true. Return true. So we are done. Let us submit this code. So you can see here it is working fine. Let us submit this code. So you can see here it got accepted. So this is the solution with the help of a stack data structure. So basically what we are doing here is we are simply adding the node value from start to the end in the stack. Because in the stack, the topmost element is holding the value of the very last node. Second topmost is holding the value of the second last node. So what we are doing is we are again iterating the linked list from the start and comparing the stack topmost element, which is holding the last value. So here we are comparing the first element value with the stack topmost, which is the last one. If they are equal, then it's okay. And if it is not equal, means it is not a palindrome. It will simply fail the condition. So that's all for this problem with the help of stack. So I hope you understood this problem with the help of a stack data structure. So in the next session, we will be solving with the help of list. So if you have learned something new, please do like our videos and subscribe to our channel Coding Card and stay tuned for the next solution with the help of list. Thanks for watching.